Imagine a time, millions of years ago, when the world was a very different place. A time when enormous creatures roamed the earth. This was the age of dinosaurs, and it lasted for a whopping 160 million years. That's a lot longer than humans have been around. Among these giants, the Tyrannosaurus Rex, or T-Rex for short, was one of the most feared predators. With a height of 20 feet and length of 40 feet, it was a true titan. Its powerful jaws could crush bones like toothpicks. But don't worry, this mighty beast won't be showing up in your backyard anytime soon. But not all dinosaurs were carnivores. Some, like the Triceratops, munched on plants. With its 3 horns and large frill, the Triceratops was like the rhinoceros of the dinosaur world. And then, there were the long-necked dinosaurs, like the Brachiosaurus. These towering creatures were so tall that they could reach the topmost leaves of trees. Picture a creature as long as 2 school buses and as tall as a 4-story building. That was the Brachiosaurus. Now, you might wonder, why were dinosaurs so big? There are several theories. Some scientists believe that the abundant plant life during that era allowed these creatures to grow to tremendous sizes. Others suggest that their large size helped them to fend off predators. But then, about 65 million years ago, the age of the dinosaurs came to an unexpected end. A massive asteroid hit the Earth, causing drastic changes in the climate. Many dinosaurs could not adapt to these changes, and sadly, they became extinct. So, we've journeyed back in time and discovered why dinosaurs were so gigantic. We've met the fearsome T-Rex, the plant-eating Triceratops, and the towering Brachiosaurus. We've also learned about the theories on why dinosaurs grew so large and what brought about their extinction. But remember, even though the dinosaurs are no longer with us, their legacy lives on. Each time you see a bird flitting about in the sky, remember that birds are the closest living relatives to dinosaurs. So in a way, dinosaurs are still among us, just in a different form. That's it for our prehistoric adventure. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive and never stop exploring. Please like and subscribe for more fun learning adventures from Kids Wonder Hub.